Yes, you can see the wig looks so old and dirty. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's tutorial is about this wig I've been using for the past 3 years. So I want to show you guys how you can renew your wig even if the wig is old. If you want to make it become new, you can. This wig is straight wig and is 4x4 lace wig. I constructed this wig myself. I did the construction myself A to Z. You can see, for you to know that the wig is old, you can see those parts they pulled off. I wear this wig almost every day. I have so many wigs, but I prefer wearing this wig. I don't know why. So I thought of giving this wig new life. So I said, why not share it with you guys? I washed this wig, then glue the part that detached down and straighten the wig, then coil it. I left the color same thing. I never want to change the color because I love black color. Gorgeous, please, if you're new here, thank you so much. Before you go, if you like it here, subscribe and hit on that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. If you like this hair tutorial, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button. Enjoy watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
This conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to, 'cause I love you.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. now since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November.